two class back, two class back, we started this regression where we discussed range, mean deviation, quartile deviation, etc. So I gave one homework problem to you. I send this link to everyone. 1A, 1B is completed. 1C today maximum you all get. 1B, 1 or 2 missed. 1A, 1 or 2 missed. Others could have got. So please kindly ensure today so that I can send it again if you want. Those who have not received, let me know. Let us start that. Before that, I start this problem. So this problem we have discussed yesterday. We want to find this combined SD, for which I must know what is a combined mean. So what is a combined mean? How to start the problem? So the combined mean is x1 2 bar is equal to 586, that is n1. X1 bar is 52.5 plus 648 into 47.5 divided by 586 plus 648. This is equal to 6145 divided by 1234, that is equal to 49.87. So we want to find this D1. D1 is x1 2 bar minus x1, that is 49.87 minus 52.5, which is equal to minus 2.62. D2 will be equal to 49.87 minus 47.5, which is equal to 2.37. So sigma 1 2.
Sir,
Sir,
49.87 minus 52.5, 2.63 minus.
I can't able to hear you properly.
Minus 2.63, sir.
என்னது minus 2 என்ன சொல்ற?
Sir, the 49.87 minus 52.5 is equal to 2.63, sir.
இருதட் போட்டேன்டா 2.62 2.63 என்னடா பெரிய டிஃபரன்ஸ்? So I have to substitute the sigma 1 2. So sigma 1 2 is equal to square root of 586 586 into 100 plus 6.86 plus 648 into 121.56 561 divided by 1234. So this is my formula. If you substitute, you will get the answer.
$10.8, sir.
Sir, 10.827.
Okay, that you take care. This is the next problem. This is the next problem, important 5 mark. Very important 5 mark question. They will give you with the two data and they ask you to check the consistency between the data. They will give a two data, so they ask you to check the consistency. Whenever to check the consistency of the data, use coefficient of variation. So CV for A as well as B. So CV for A will be, I take this as A, B. Sigma 1 by x1 bar into 100. This is sigma 2 by x2 bar into 100. So I take this as x1, x2. What is x1 bar? Arithmetic means sigma x1 by n1. What is x2 bar? Sigma x2 by n2. That is sigma x2 by n2. If I add everything in x1, divide by 6, you will get 46.5. If I add all in x2, divide by n2, that is 6, you will get 51.3. Now I have to find the deviation from x minus x bar. So x1 minus x1 bar, x2 minus x2 bar. First take a difference and then square this. Take the difference and square. What is 31 minus 46.5 and then square it? 240.2. 28 minus 46.5. Take a difference and then square. 342.2. 47 minus 46.5. This is 272.2. It is 600.2. It is 56.2. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
What you don't understand? No.
Sir, on the taking the whole route.
Whole root. I don't take any root. What is 31 minus this difference? 28 minus this difference. 47 minus this difference. And then square it. 31 minus 28 minus 47 minus 63 minus. Can you not take this difference?
Okay, sir.
And then square it. Likewise, 19 minus 51.6, 31 minus 48 minus. Take a difference and then square this. If I take that difference, it is 1043.2, whereas it is 412.0. This is 108, sorry, 10.8. 10.8, this is 2.8, this is 246.4, it is 1497.6. So we found what is the difference. Why are we finding this? Because your standard deviation is sigma x1 minus x1 bar the whole square by n. So what is this total? If you add everything, you get 1511.25. This is your total. This total is 3212.8. So I should substitute here sigma 1 square, sigma 2 square, x2 bar the whole square divided by n2. This is n1. So 1511.25 divided by 6, whereas it is 3212.8 by 6. So sigma 1 square is equal to 251.8. Sigma 1 is equal to 15.86. Sigma 2 square 535.4. Sigma 2 standard deviation 23.14. Now you substitute here. for first observation, it is 15.86 divided by 46.5 into 100. You should get 34.1%. Whereas this 23.14 divided by 51.3 into 100, that is equal to less variation or more consistent. Less variation or more consistent. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood how did I find the difference? How did I square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, we are going to the moments. What is moment? This moment in physics you could have learnt. What is the moment, which would mean from the fixed point you can have some rate of change in the angular momentum. For an example, what is angular momentum? You take a door. Door is fixed in a wall. So this is a fixed point. This door will move like this. This is said to be an angular momentum. This is said to be an angular momentum. So for what is the variation from this point to this point? So that difference, that tendency to produce some rotation, which depends on the force we give. So distance from origin of this is origin. This is origin. Now if I apply the force, we will get some momentum. In the same way, in statistics, we would say the fixed point is x bar. How x bar is deviating from x? I mean all observations. Is it uniformly varying or different? So that process is said to be a moment. Have you understood what is a moment?
Yes, sir.
சார் ஒரு
Distance,
வாட்டி மட்டும் சொல்றீங்களா சார்?
distance from fixed point x bar to the moving point observation x. What is a fluctuation? If I go for first time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So if I do such a way, we say it is said to be a moment. That is, deviation is always taken from x bar.
Thank you, sir.
So this is the first formula. Sigma x minus x bar, the whole power 1, degree is 1. Here degree is 1. Whereas in the degree is 2. Second degree, if I take a difference from x minus x bar the whole square by n, f into x minus x bar the whole square by n, m into x minus x bar the whole square by n. So second degree always represents a variance. First degree always represents a mean. So second degree always represents a variance. First degree always represents a mean. What is a third degree? Third degree represents a skewness. Skewness means measure of asymmetry. It is measure of asymmetry. Asymmetry means 0 to 1, minus 1, it is symmetrical. But minus 1 to 0 is not symmetrical to 0 to 2. So this is asymmetry. To measure these asymmetry, we will use this skewness. And then lastly, what is called kurtosis? It is a measure of peakness. Measure of peakness, which would mean how this curve is going to the peak. So this peakness, you can go like this, mesoquartic, polyquartic. We will learn shortly all these things. So kurtosis means it is measure of peakness. Skewness means measure of this is mu1, always represents a mean. Mu2 represents a variance. Mu3 represents a skewness. Mu4 represents a kurtosis. Kurtosis. Now first formula, if you take the same way, we will have three formulas: individual, discrete, and then continuous. I mean grouped data. Okay, first what does mean? You take x, how x deviates from x bar, find the difference, deviation, then you add, divide by n. This is a first order moment, first central moment. Sometimes we call it as first central moment always zero. Why first central moment is always zero means, you take any example, you take 10, 6, 2. What does arithmetic mean? 18 by 3, that is equal to 6. What is the difference from x minus x bar? Not only to this example, if you take any example, it will satisfy. Not only this example, any example, if you take, this will satisfy. 10 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 2 minus 6, this will be 4, 0, minus 4. If you add this, what do you get?
Zero.
That is what it says. Whenever the deviation is taken from arithmetic mean whose sum is always 0. Whenever deviation is taken from arithmetic mean, that is x bar, difference, add, and then divide by n, it is always equal to 0. The same you can go for discrete. It is f into x minus x bar by n is equal to 0 by capital N. Whereas it is sigma f into m minus x bar, because of continuous data will have a mid value. So the sigma will be equal to 0. Now for variance, you take same x minus x bar and then difference. Do it for 2 times. X minus x bar into x minus x bar. If I go 2 times, add, divide by n, this is said to be variance. This is said to be variance. If I do the same for f into x minus x bar the whole square by n, it is also variance. It is sigma f into m minus x bar the whole square by n. The same formula, you just see how does it differ. If you take this, it is sigma x minus x bar the whole cube. I should do it for 3 times, add, divide by n. Do the same for f into the whole cube divided by n. This is sigma m into the whole cube divided by n. Lastly, kurtosis. Deviation taken from x minus x bar the whole power 4, add this, divide by n. This is x minus x bar the whole power 4 multiply with f divide by capital N. Whereas it is, this is said to be first central moment. Second central moment always represents a variance. The third central moment always represents a skewness. Why it is central moment? Deviation is taken from arithmetic mean. Deviation is taken from arithmetic mean, that is why it is central or moment about mean. So this is the first moment, second moment, third moment, first central moment. Based on this, we will discuss some problems. Compute The first four central moment. Compute the first four moments about mean. Four about mean or central moment, both are same. Four central moment. First four central moment about mean. About mean for 6, 9, 11, 12, 17. For 6, 9, 11, 12, and then 17. Just take what is 6, 9, 11, 12. You know what is the formula? Write down the formula. Compute what is x bar, because basic thing is x bar. X bar is add everything. If I add everything, I will get 55. By n is 5. This is equal to 11. So what is the fluctuation from x minus x bar? 6 minus 11 minus 5. This is 9 minus 11, 11 minus 11, 12 minus 11, 17 minus 11. If I add everything, I will get 0. First moment is always 0. What is the second moment? Square it. Second moment, just square this. 25, 4, 0, 1, 36. If I add, I get 66. Just a cube. It is minus 125. I mean minus 5 cube, minus 2 cube, 0 cube, 1 cube, 6 cube. 6 cube will be 216. Last one, power 4. Minus 5 power 4, 625. This is 16. It is 0. It is 1. 6 power 4, 1296. If I add, I get 80, 84. It is 1938. So substitute here. Divided by 66 by 5, whereas it is 84 by 5, whereas it is 1938 divided by 5. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it comes, it will come in 5 mark.
Sir.
Compute the same 4 central moment. Compute the same 4 central moment for this problem. So what is x? It is a discrete case. If it is a discrete case, you know this is 10, 25, 25 and then 30. F is 2, 5, 4, 9 and 5. First, what I want to compute? X bar. So x bar is a basic requirement. That is sigma f into x by sigma f. What is f?
Sir,
15 தானே சார் அங்க சின்ன புள்ளியா?
Sir, X-ல 15 வரும்.
எனக்கு புரியல என்ன 15?
சார் F5 இருக்குல்ல சார், அதுக்கு X15.
Okay. So f into x. So basically, what is my requirement? X bar. In x bar, what is my requirement? Sigma f. Sigma fx. To find sigma fx, my requirement is sigma f. I mean f into x to be computed. F into x 20, 75, 80, 225, 150. Just add this. You will get 550. So this is 550 divided by what is n? 25. This is equal to 22. So x minus x bar. You know x is this, x bar is this. So x minus x bar means 10 minus 22, 15 minus 22, 20 minus 22, 25 minus 22, 30 minus 22. F into x minus x bar means you should multiply these two. So if I multiply these two, you get minus 24, minus 35, minus 8, 27, 40. If I add, I get 0. That is why first moment is always 0. What is x minus x bar the whole square? You square this, then multiply. You square this difference, then you multiply. So what is the answer? If I square 144 into 2, 49 into 5, 4 into 4, 16. 9 nines are 81.
Sir, one column we can include no, sir. X bar whole square. We can include no, sir.
If you want, you can include, but directly it can be done. It is up to you.
Okay, sir.
You can directly square this, multiply with f. Directly square this, multiply with f. Directly square this, multiply with f. Why should you want to waste your time by taking x minus x bar the whole square, then to multiply with f?
Okay, sir.
It is up to you. If you want, you do. So this is 950 divided by 25. X minus x bar the whole cube. X minus x bar the whole cube. What is x minus x bar the whole cube? You 12 cube minus 12 cube will be minus. Minus 12 cube will be minus of 1000.
Sir, 12 12s are 144. So
144 into 12 into 2.
144 into
Minus
12
3.
into 2. Minus
Minus
346.
minus 3456. This is minus 1715. It is minus 32. It is 243. This is minus 2400. Sorry, plus. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. This is 243. This is 2560. If I add this, I will get 2400. So this is 2400 divided by 25. Have you understood how did I do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is minus 2,400.
Minus 2000.
400, sir.
Minus 2400.
Okay.
1 minute here, I have to put minus. Then mu 4. Sigma f. Sigma f into x minus x bar the whole power 4. Sigma x minus x bar the whole power 4 by n. This is equal to, you should take this raised to the power 4, then you multiply with f. So power 4 will be 41472. This is 1000, 12,005. This is 64. This is 729. It is 74750. This is 2420480. Answer will be 74750. So that is a fourth moment. 74750 divided by 25. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is 74750 divided by 25. This is for discrete case. For continuous case, compute the first, you should only ensure they ask you to compute the first 4 moments. It should be given like compute first 4 central moments. If nothing is stated, you can go with the central moment. They should specify and they will specify. They ask you to do first 4 central moments. Compute first 4 central moment. So this is for continuous series. You can see this data. You can see this data. So class interval, basically it should be continuous as I said. If not, you should take a 0.5 difference in the lower limit and in the upper limit. Add in the upper limit, subtract in the lower limit. If not, if it is directly, we can go. You have to find x bar. X bar is based on sigma fm by sigma f. What is the mid value of this class interval? Mid value is 5. 0 to 10 mid value is 5. 10, 20 mid value is 15. It is 25. It is 35. What is f into m? Because we want to compute sigma fm. 1 into 5, 15 into 4, 25 into 3, 35 into 2. If I add everything, I will get 210. I get 210. So you have to find m minus x bar. So what is x bar? 210 divided by sigma f is 10. So 21 is mean. So you have to find m minus x bar. So m minus x bar, 5 minus 6, 21. 15 minus 21. Sorry, 15 minus 21 minus 6. 25 minus 21. 35 minus 21. Take a difference, multiply f into m minus x bar. So this is minus 16, minus 24, minus 12, plus 12. And it is 28. If I add everything, I will get 0. So first moment is always 0. First moment is always 0. Sigma f into m minus x bar by n. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
M minus x bar the whole square. M minus x bar the whole square. This is m minus x bar the whole cube. And it is m minus x bar the whole power 4. M minus x bar the whole square means 16 square into 1, 256. This is 36 square into 4. I'm sorry, 6 square into 4. Just a minute, it buffers, it hangs. So this is equal to 256. This is equal to 256 because 16 square into 1. 24 square into, 6 square into 4. I made a mistake. This is 16 square into 1, 6 square, 36 into 4. 36 into 4, this is 48. 16 threes are 14 square, 196. 196 into 2. Do you understand? Square this, multiply, square this, multiply, square this, multiply. Likewise, you should take cube. Like this, you should take a cube, minus 16 cube into 1, 4096. Yeah, m minus x bar, this cube, minus 216 into 4. 4 cube, 16, 64. 64 into 3, 192. 14 cube into 2, 5488. If you add, you will get 720. So this is equal to this is equal to how much? 840 divided by 10. Whereas it is so mu3 is equal to sigma f into m minus x bar the whole cube by n. Mu4 is sigma f into m minus x bar the whole power 4 by n. So this is equal to 720 divided by 10. What is the whole power 4? What is this whole power 4? 65536. I mean 16 power 4 into 1. This is 6 power minus 6 power 4 minus 6 the whole power 4 into 4. 5184. Whereas this 4 power 4 into 3. Last one. 14 power 4 into 2. If you add, you get 148320. So this is 148320 divided by 10. If you have any doubts, you may ask. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it comes,
Yes, sir.
it may come in 5 more question. It may come in 5 more question. So you should ensure formula is it for central moment. If it is a central moment, then avail this x minus x bar, x minus x bar, x minus x bar. About mean, it is also x minus x bar. Suppose if they ask raw moment, that is the next one. Raw moment means in the place of x bar we will have a. You can take any value in the given data as a. You can take any value in the given data as a, otherwise they will tell you. For an example, calculate first 4 moment. Calculate first 4 moment. Calculate first 4 moment about. They don't say about mean. Calculate first 4 moments about. He says it is 13. He says it is 13. I don't say. So if they mention any specific value, then I should do accordingly. So this is whole cube. This is whole power 4. Now, as usual, I should start. Have you understood the difference? Have you understood the difference?
Yes, sir.
So x minus 13, which would mean 6 minus 13 minus 7. 6 minus 13 is minus 7. This is 10 minus 13. 11 minus 13. 12 minus 13. 16 minus 13. Add everything.
So, doubts, sir. The question is that they will give us at raw moments.
Ama. Yes. Onno kuduthruvaanga. If they don't give, calculate the raw moments na in the given data, you can take any value as a 6 or 10 or 11 or 12 or 16, but it should not be arithmetic mean.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So x minus 13 the whole square. If I square this 49,9,419, add this, you will get 72. So next is whole cube, 7 cube, that is x minus 13 the whole cube, minus 343, this is minus 27, this is minus 8, minus 1, 27. If I add, I will get minus 352. X minus 13 the whole power 4, it is 2401. I mean, you should take power 4 of this. 81, 16, 1 and 81. Add this. You will get 2580. Substitute here. Minus 10 by 5. Minus, plus 72 by 5. It is minus 352 by 5. whereas it is 2580 divided by 5. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here they define for rth moment. This is a rth moment. Mu means it's a central moment. Rth central moment, in fact. Mu r means rth central moment.
சார்
Hmm.
இதுல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மூமெண்ட் 0 வராதா சார்?
வராது. ஏன்னா always deviation is taken from arithmetic mean தான் 0. Assumed mean cannot be 0. ஏன் தெரியுமா? If you draw the circle, if I say center of the circle is x bar, center of the circle to any point in the circumference, error is uniform. Correct?
Yes, sir.
ஆனா அதே circle assumed mean if I take, will it be uniform from this point to any point in the circumference?
No, sir.
No, sir.
அதனாலதான் இங்க எரர் 0 வராது. இங்க எரர் 0.
Okay, sir.
I hope you would have understood these parts. Shall I go to next question?
Okay, sir.
So mu r dash அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்னா it's a raw moment. It's an rth raw moment. It's an rth raw moment. Calculate first 4 moment about 42. He himself says it is about 42. Calculate first 4 moments about 42. So this decides. That is why it is assumed me. What is x minus 42? Minus 22, minus 12, minus 2, 8, 18, 28. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I have to divide by, sorry, now we have to multiply with f. Minus 22 into 8, minus 144, minus 40, plus 80, 18 into 6, 28 into 4. If you add everything, you get 60. So this is minus 60 divided. Just a minute. Just a minute. Can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have to now find this f into x minus x bar. It is minus 176, minus 144, minus 40, 80, 108, 112. Add this, you will get plus 60. So this is x minus f into so mu1 dash is equal to sigma f into x minus 42 divided by n. If I add this, I said 60 divided by n is 60. In fact, it is minus 60. Okay. Minus 60 by 60, this is minus 1. Whereas this is equal to, that is mu2 dash. This is equal to 60 now. Mu2 dash is sigma f into x minus 42 the whole square divided by n. So now you should tell me f into 42 square. X minus 42 the whole square, 22 square into 8. 3872. 12 square into 12. 1728. 4 into 20. This is 640. This is 1944. Whereas it is 3136. Add this, you will get 11400. So this is 11400 divided by 60.
Sir, 1728, sir.
I'm sorry. X minus 42 the whole cube. F into x minus 42 the whole cube. So take a cube of this and then multiply with F. Minus 851,184. This all will come in financial management. If you come to CA final or CMA final, where you will do a financial management paper in which you will take a risk management. Risk management, it plays a vital role. In the investment, strategic and financial management, they will use it. So this is 87808. If you add everything, you will get 222,160. And this one, last one. X minus 42, F into x minus 42, the whole power 4. This is 18. This is equal to 18,74048. This is 2,48,832. It is 320. It is 4960. It is 6,29,856. Last one will be 2458 and 624. If you add everything, you will get 52,52,640. So whole cube. If it is mu3 dash, mu4 dash, if it is whole cube, then this will be equal to, so mu3 dash sigma f into x minus 40 to the whole cube by n. This is equal to 22160 by 60.
Sir, answer வந்து 369.33, sir.
What? Which answer?
Mu3.
Okay.
Fourth வந்து 87,544.
Okay.
Mu4.
Okay. எனக்கு இந்த ஆன்சர் இப்போ ஓகே, பட் எக்ஸாம்ல எல்லாம் எனக்கு இதெல்லாம் போட வேண்டாம். எனக்கு இது இருந்தா போதும். If you get this answers is enough. Have you understood this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So with this,
Yes,
I
sir.
complete today's class. I will
Sir.
share this notes after afternoon.
Sir.
I share this notes by afternoon.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
You don't get it right now. Afternoon you will get it.
Video
also.
ரெண்டுமே வீடியோ ஆடியோ ரெண்டுமே, சாரி வீடியோ அண்ட் ரிட்டன் நோட்ஸ்.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir.